Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can convert wrapped Ethereum into Ethereum in MetaMask. Started. So what we want to do first is of course open MetaMask right here. But if you don't have MetaMask yet, you can go in Google and search install MetaMask right there, and you'll see instructions right here, metamask.io. It's really easy to install and you can register also easily. So let's proceed. Here in MetaMask right here, what you want to do is ensure that you are using Ethereum mainnet right there, and once you have made sure you are using it, you can now swap from wrapped Ethereum right here. All you need to do is type WETH right there, and you can see the WETH right here. It says wrapped Ether, and you want to swap into Ethereum, right? So here in the ETH, and you can see the Ether right here, and you can now swap it, and all you need to do is input the amount, which is let's say 3 or 2 or maybe 5 right there. And as you can see, I don't have enough wrapped Ethereum to complete this transaction because I don't have any balance in this account, as this is only for tutorial purposes. And you want to also see the advanced options, and you want to turn on smart transactions because this is gonna stimulate transactions before submitting to decrease transaction costs and reduce failures. So that is really important. And once you are done inputting your amount right here and turning on smart transactions, and you can now go review swap, and right here you can see that I don't have enough WETH right here, so I cannot proceed. But it's really simple afterwards. That all you need really is just to make sure that you are using Ethereum mainnet and you got the right tokens right here, and you enable the smart transactions, and after that it's pretty much straightforward. All it's gotta do is gonna ask from your source fund and how you're gonna pay for that gas fees, like just like that. It would show how much gas fees MetaMask will be taking from you. So in MetaMask there is a big gas fee that would be taken from your conversion or from your swap, so I don't really recommend MetaMask in converting your wrapped Ethereum into Ethereum because it's gonna have that big gas fees. So what I can recommend is simply go here into Uniswap right here, which is uniswap.org, and you can use this to have a smaller gas fees, and that way you can have a bigger conversion in your wrapped Ethereum into Ethereum. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.